Introducing the 2024 BMW M1000 XR, the ultimate long-distance sports crossover. In the world of motorcycles, BMW is no stranger to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. With the release of the new 2024 BMW M1000 XR, they've taken the concept of a long-distance sports crossover to a whole new level. This bike is designed to meet the highest demands, whether you're cruising on smooth roads or tackling challenging unpaved sections. So, what makes this M model so special? Let's dive in. Unleash the power. The heart of the M1000 XR is its powerful engine, boasting an impressive 201 horsepower. That's 31 more horses than its predecessor, the S1000 XR, making it a true powerhouse. With a peak torque of 113 Newton-meters at 11,000 revolutions per minute and a maximum engine speed of 14,600 revolutions per minute, this beast is built for speed and exhilaration. Aerodynamic marvel. Aerodynamics are a crucial part of any high-performance motorcycle, and the M1000 XR doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with winglets on the front side panels that generate aerodynamic downforce, providing better stability and handling at high speeds. This extra downforce increases front wheel load by about 12 kilograms at 220 kilometers per hour. Precision handling. The M1000 XR's chassis is finely tuned for performance, with dynamic damping control, DDC, adjustable spring base, an adjustable steering damper, and more. The upside-down forks with a 45 mm slide tube diameter ensure a smooth and controlled ride. In combination with a shorter secondary gear ratio, it's ready to conquer any terrain, from country roads to the racetrack. M brakes and wheels. BMW has integrated an M brake system into the M1000 XR, inspired by their racing experience. The M brake calipers are distinctive with their blue anodized coating and M logo. Together with 320 mm brake discs and lightweight forged aluminum wheels, you can expect top-notch braking performance. Cutting-edge technology. The M1000 XR doesn't just excel in power and handling. It's packed with advanced technology. From a 6.5-inch TFT display to the latest generation of dynamic traction control, Shift Assistant Pro for quick gear shifts, launch control for perfect race starts, and much more. It's a technological marvel on two wheels. M Competition Package. If you're a true performance enthusiast, you can opt for the M Competition Package. It includes M carbon wheels, M carbon parts, fully adjustable M rider footrest system, and more. This package not only enhances the bike's performance but also shaves off 3 kilograms from its weight. M design. The M1000XR embodies a dynamic and aggressive design with a combination of black and M colors. It's sleek, powerful, and unmistakable, thanks to the new M winglets and its compact proportions. This bike isn't just about performance. It's a visual stunner too. In the world of long-distance sports crossover motorcycles, the 2024 BMW M1000XR is a game-changer. With unparalleled power, aerodynamics, handling, and technology, it's a force to be reckoned with. Whether you're on a scenic country road or tearing up the racetrack, this bike is ready to deliver an adrenaline-pumping experience like no other.